cloud in the sky, soft and slow, just drifting by. Every word falls down on my skin, like raindrops pulling me deeper in. City lights start to blur and glow, reflections dancing down below. No shoes, no worries, just you and me. Like time forgot what it used to be. And I hear heaven whisper your name. Every drop falls, I feel the same. It's raining summer in my heart tonight. Warm drops falling, you by my side. Barefoot dancing in the street lights glow, like the whole world moves real slow. It's raining love, soft and deep. In every puddle, you're all I see. The earth was thirsty, so was I. Now we're free in this summer sky. Your hair is soaked, but your eyes still shine. Pull me closer, your hand in mine. The sky is gray, but it feels like gold. Like the rain's got our souls on hold. We spin around to a silent beat, lost in rhythm beneath our feet. Just your breath and your voice so near, saying things only I can hear. And I feel silent